So why does your iPad screen just keep going black? Well, let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So the iPad might be going black or be, the screen just kind of locking itself when you have the automatic lock feature set too early. So you can find it in your settings when you on the left panel, find the display and brightness, and at the bottom we have the auto lock feature. On the iPad running the latest version, we have the four options, or five technically, so you can set it to be 2 minutes, 5, 10, 15, or never. So obviously it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a time period of inactivity after which the screen will go black automatically, right? So you might have it set to 2 minutes, and this is the reason why the iPad locks itself. Or another reason that might be causing this is that when you go to your battery, you might also have the low power mode enabled, which is trying to save the battery here and there. And it might also limit the screen time by trying to lock the iPad earlier and making the screen go black a lot sooner than you would expect. So this might be also causing this. Outside of that, in like a little bit of a rare situation, it might be caused by some damage of the hardware. So you should probably keep that in mind if these software things don't help you at all. So that would be about it from me. Let me know how it looks on your iPad after applying these things. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations similar to this one, and I'll talk to you later.